Three little ducklings on the pond, having a great time swimming. It's actually pretty warm this morning in comparison. Where'd they all go? They're underwater. There they are. How adorable. There was a great blue heron out there with them, and it flew off to the creek so beautifully. It's so cute to see them go under, and it's like they pop up somewhere completely different. We got 3 of them out there, just having a good old time. I'm not sure what kind they are. Really not. They're pretty small.
Mom.
Hold on, baby.